development and use of AI. So summary of responsible development of AI in the AI Act. So recognizing the kind of complex value chain of AI, which includes various partners such as importers, distributors, the AI Act aims at providing the kind of legal clarity and ensures the overall compliance with its regulator. So these operators must have multiple roles or they are required to fulfill all the obligations which are associated with the respective roles they undertake. So to promote AI that benefits the society and environment, the AI Act encourages the EU members to state and support the research and development for AI solutions that address the social and environmental issues. So this support should come in the form of resources, and these resources are public or the EU funding resources. The projects should aim to improve the accessibility for the people with the kind of disabilities or reduce the socio-economic inequalities. It should also aim at meeting the environmental targets. They should also involve interdisciplinary cooperation among AI developers and the experts in the fields such as inequality, accessibility, and digital rights. So for AI systems that are not classified as high risk, the AI Act suggests the providers to create a voluntary code of conduct. So these voluntary code of conduct should include the governance mechanism that basically applies some of the mandatory requirements for the high risk AI systems. But then these are tailored to the lower risks involved. Your AI providers and the users of all AI systems are encouraged to voluntarily adopt these additional requirements from the Union Ethics Guidelines of Trustworthy AI, which is focused on environmental sustainability, the AI literacy and inclusion design. So this also includes considering the needs for the vulnerable groups and involving the diverse stakeholders such as businesses, civil society, academia, consumer protection organizations. The overall effectiveness of these voluntary code basically relies on setting the clear objectives and the performance indicators and how they should be developed based on the inclusivity from the inputs by various stakeholders. In addition to that, the AI Act should support the creation of AI regulatory sandboxes. There has to be safe environment where your AI innovation can be tested and refined. The AI offices should assist in establishing these sandboxes, and they should promote the kind of cooperation and information sharing among them to foster the innovation and ensuring there is a responsible development across the EU landscape. Explanation of the terms. Interdisciplinary cooperation. So this terms means the collaboration between the experts from various fields. Legal certainty. This ensures that the laws are clear and predictable. Regulatory sandboxes. This means the controlled environments that allow the businesses to experiment with the new technologies under the regulatory oversight. Residual risks. This includes the risks that remain even after the mitigations have been put in place. Value chain. This refers to the sequence of activities involved in producing and delivering a product or the services. The AI management system stages. So an AI management system basically go through these following stages. Stage 1, establishment. Stage 2, implementation. Stage 3, maintenance. Stage 4, continual improvement. And stage 5, documentation. So in this whole process, stage 3 through 5 basically keeps on repeating as a life cycle steps of your AI systems. So stage 3, which is maintenance, continuous improvement, and documentation, they keeps on repeating as a part of the AI system development. So the scope of AI system. The overall scope of AI management system is determined by its boundaries and applicability. The organizations should take the internal and external factors into account. So they need to understand the requirements in detail. Let's look at the internal factors. So the internal factors can be your organization context, the governance, objectives, policies and procedures, the contractual obligations, the intended purpose of AI systems, the role determination for your AI systems. So these are the internal factors which can affect your AI management system. External factors. So it includes the applicable legal requirements, including the prohibited use of AI, the consequences of intended purpose and the usage, the culture, traditions, values, norms, and ethics, competitive landscape, and the trends for the new products and services. So these are the external factors. Stakeholders. So this includes the organization, partners, suppliers, customers and end users, and the third parties. So the overall scope must be documented and should cover the system management, leadership, planning, support, operations, performance, evaluations, improvement, controls, and overall objectives. So leadership and commitment as a part of AI systems, we need to have them as a part of management system, which should be good leadership. So if you refer what the good leadership refers as, so your AI policies and objectives should be aligned with the organization strategy. Your AI policies should be documented well. Your AI management requirements should be integrated into the business processes. AI and employee should receive the necessary resources. Effective AI management and compliance should be promoted. Continuous improvements should be implemented. So for these areas, roles and responsibilities must be aligned and communicated with the rest of organization. Your AI management system compliance with the kind of requirement is mandatory. Reporting AI systems performance to management is equally important. Scope of AI management system, risk management. Risk management is a part of AI management system. Risks are both related to making sure your AI system does what it was intended to do and addressing the risks to the individual. All the identified risks should be properly mitigated, and both the risks and mitigation should be documented